Hi you guys, welcome to my first ever makeup tutorial. This is my everyday makeup look. This is the look right here. It is very natural, unnatural. Obviously, this is like what we go to like when we, I don't know, go to the grocery store downtown or for tacos or something. I swear I can do this makeup look in like 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Sometimes I need that 15 because I need to do a little cleanup, or maybe I'm tired and I just messed up or something. We're not playing today. I actually don't play ever, so watch out. I hope you enjoy. Keep watching. Hopefully it's not too long. I won't make it too boring. I've tried not to. Remember to play music, okay? Music is so important when you do your makeup because it just gives you a whole vibe. If you want to like smoke a little joint before you do it to feel a little bit more creative, been there, done that. We're gonna go ahead and put our hair back. Now I know like everyone wears these little ears, but honestly they're so cute, and I actually wear these in the house. Like you can ask my best friend. She saw me wear them the first day I was here and she's like, oh, you look so cute. Wash your face and put moisturizer if you want, or if you don't want to, it doesn't matter. I always put a primer on before. I used to not do it, but I realized you do, it really does help, especially if you have oily skin like me. So I'm gonna apply that. Right now I have sunscreen on my face as well because I know I'm gonna be out today, but otherwise I usually just put some kind of Cetaphil moisturizing, which I will do a skin video later because I'm telling you I've changed my skin dramatically, and it's not perfect now. I mean, I'm breaking out from Christmas cookies and all that, but it's all good. This powder is the Airspun powder, and you can get this at Walmart. You can also use something way better like Laura Mercier. I actually put this on after the primer, and I put this on because my skin is oily. Like I literally have to blot a lot in the day, and that's just my skin, and it's fine. I'm not mad at it. Next thing I do is apply foundation. So I usually have a tan on. It's been about 2 weeks since I did a tan. That's fine. I might just still put a little tan on because why not? This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I got this. I actually get a lot of my makeup at this place called the Cosmetics Company. They have like designer makeup on the low, and it's really good. I'm sure if you go to the outlets you can find it. And obviously this color is like way not my color. I'm a lot paler than this, but it's okay. That's the cool thing about makeup. It's like finger painting. You just, you know, and make sure your hands are clean, by the way. Like I'm not gonna put makeup on if my hands aren't clean. That's just messing up a bunch of stuff. So this is the next thing I put on. So I actually mix it. I only apply this to the outside of the face. Then I'm gonna grab my CC cream. This is Chanel CC cream. The bottle is disgusting. I'm almost done with this. And this is like a holy grail product for me. This product is so freaking good. And I just dot it over my face, just out of the bottle. I mean, my face is clean, so it's not like anybody else is gonna be using that. And I grab a flat top brush. I always use Jeffree Star, by the way. I love his brushes. He has the best brushes. I only buy Jeffree Star. I have other ones that I've had from like high school that I just can't get rid of, but Jeffree Star is the one. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. I usually apply the light to the center of the face for obvious reasons. We wanna light up the center and make the outside a little bit darker. And I just blend that. Next thing I'm gonna do is apply concealer. Now I have serious under eye bags. It's not my favorite thing in the world about me, but it's what I have. So we deal with it, we work with it, all good in the head. This is what I'm using right now. It's like LA Pro orange corrector. It's like the most orange one. Like it's unnaturally orange, and then you're gonna make yourself look a little crazy. And I just grab a little brush like this. This is from the e.l.f. contour collection, and actually that's a really good brush kit. My best friend, before he died, got it for me. He's the sweetest, and I've never gotten rid of a brush since. But best believe I've washed the brushes because that's gross. The Tarte Shape Tape, everybody likes this. I like this too. It's really good. But actually the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer matte finish, really good. Then I'm gonna grab a little Jeffree Star powder puff. It's not a powder puff, it's like a beauty blender type of brush, and I'm gonna go apply that to the skin and just kind of buff it out. This is one of my favorite things. And actually, I just realized I didn't do another step. I know I'm looking really crazy right now. Just let it be, please. I mean, all the girls look like this when they do their makeup, honestly. Don't lie. Don't lie. I've seen y'all crazy faces, and I have a crazy face too. It's fine. This is what I do. So I actually put the concealer on and I let it sit there for a minute. Not forever, obviously, but I go ahead and do my brows. So this is the Tom Ford brow product. So I grab the spoolie side and I just kind of go in. And I had my brows microbladed by a wonderful girl out here in San Diego, Erica. She's very, very talented. If you're in the San Diego area, she's really good. I've been getting my eyebrows microbladed for the last 3 years, but because my skin is so oily, it fades very, very quickly. So I have to get it done pretty often. And I am not very precise with this. As you can see, I just pretty much try to just put this, you know, the stupid brow on. I know a lot of people pay like a lot of attention to their brows, and that's really great. Or some people just have amazing brows, which bless your soul. But for me, I don't know. I haven't gone to anyone to do my brows besides a microblader, and I really don't mess with my brows too much. And I probably should care more, but I don't. So that's how that goes. Okay, so now that I did my brows a little bit, I can go ahead and do the concealer, blend it out. Yeah, so now it looks pretty blended out. I'm gonna grab the big Jeffree Star sponge, and I use this NYX HD finishing powder. It's like a banana-y color. I know Anastasia has a really good one in banana. MAC also has a good one. I think it's called Emphasize. This is just stuff that I know I've used in the past and I think it really works, but this is NYX. And I always get the sides of the nose as well because it gets oily. The corners of the mouth because that also needs attention. I used to have like, you know, 5 blushes and I would just pick whatever one I wanted to use that day. And I've changed the game and I have one product that has a blush and a highlighter in it. So this is crazy. I actually have another blush brush that I use, but for some reason I'm obsessed with this mini Chanel one. I know I can get the bigger one. I used to have a bunch of brushes, you guys. I literally got them all stolen from me. I'm not gonna say who it was, but I know who did it, and that person is not in the country, which is fine, but that's kind of shady. Someone stole, like, I had a whole collection probably worth $500 and $1,000, like Chanel brushes, Artiste brushes, and now I'm with this and I love it, so it's fine. But this little brush that comes in the Chanel blush compact is amazing. The blush that I use is also a duo compact. This is Tom Ford as well. And it's like this pink and then this pretty. And obviously we're in winter, so I definitely like these shades. It looks crazy in camera, but it actually looks less crazy in person. But I don't know. You guys see my makeup sometimes, and I think it looks okay. I mean, it's going to blend out. We're not done, you guys. Remember. Then I'm going to do a contour. This is the brush I use. This is, again, Jeffree Star. And I try to get closer to the bottom of my face because I have a pretty round face. And I also get the top of the face as well, the sides. Underneath the lip. Underneath the nose, underneath the chin. And from the e.l.f. Contour collection, I just grab the toffee, just kind of blow it off. And I start at the top of my brow and just do a line down. So just kind of go back and forth really nicely to make it cohesive, because that's what's gonna make your nose look slim, is when it looks like it's part of your face and not makeup, even though everybody knows it is makeup. I get the top of my nose as well and the sides of the nose. I try to make it look as buttony as possible. I really like that kind of style. This is like the most important part. And this is a Jeffree Star brush, JS S2. It's a powder brush. This is the brush he actually uses, which I watched his video later and thought to myself, wait, I use both of these products. Both of these are so good. This is the Chanel Le Tente Ultra Tenue in 40 beige. And this is the powder brush. This is the same thing that he does. I don't blame him. It's really good. So I just grab, you know, a little bit in there, and I really just kind of blend everything together, because now that's what you're doing. You're just blending your powders, your creams, your blushes all together. So there that is. Next thing I'm gonna do is start with the eyes. I'm gonna grab, this is just a regular blender. This is the JS8. This is a staple color right here. This is a staple color. This is MAC Soft Brown. So I like to get the entire eye. I have really big eyes, and I really kind of just relax when I do this because I'm not even stressing. You really want the contour and the shadow to become best friends. You need to meet and get very acquainted very quickly. This is the Carly Bible palette. I'm gonna take this color called Moo. It's like a gold color. Another color I really recommend that I absolutely love, and I should have it, I don't know why I don't, is called Woodwinked. My favorite beauty item of all time, which is eyeliner. I love eyeliner. This is the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. This is such a good liner, you guys. I also really love Inglot, the black one. I think it's number 77. I could also be really wrong. I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner. And I mean, I could do a more comprehensive video. I know there's a million videos on liquid eyeliner. There's a million videos on how to do eyeliner. The thing is the best way to do liquid liner is to just go for it. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but look at, like, I'm talking to you guys and doing this, and I just know somehow it's gonna be okay. I like a thick wing too, by the way. Next thing I'm gonna do is apply the top part, because I haven't done the top part. You could use the same liner. I personally like to grab this one. This is very inexpensive, you guys. Daiso. It's called Your Glam Eyeliner. It's just like a pen liner. It's like the Kat Von D one, what is it? I don't know, whatever the other ones are. Stila, there we go. Lorac, they all make these pen liners. This is my favorite one, and I kind of make my eye a little bit taut. Taut meaning pull the eye to the side, and then I just kind of lay it flat and just draw really quickly. And I just do this to just kind of align everything together. So everything should look pretty cohesive by now. I haven't looked at the camera in a while, sorry. I use the same lash. I have tried other lashes, and don't get me wrong, other lashes are bomb. The thing is every lash works differently for every person. So if you think one lash is gonna look good on you, and it might not look good on someone else. That's just the truth. It's just like everything else. So people think, oh, that one thing looks good on her, it's gonna look good on me. It's the same with lashes. Lashes fit different eye shapes. I use Duo Lash Glue. That's a good one. I honestly am so confident in this already because I do this almost every day. I just try to get it as close to the eye as possible, and then I just kind of like lay it there, and I don't touch it. Just leave it alone, let it be. I might do this live too one day just because, I don't know, why not? I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on. I got this shirt in Vegas, by the way. Ooh, my back cracked. That felt good. There's a story to that. That's funny, but I don't want to talk about it. It's stupid. It's stupid. Someone just like literally didn't have money, and then they had to go to the Bank of America, and the only Bank of America, by the way, this is like a travel tip, I guess now. If you need to go to the bank and you have Bank of America, and there's no Bank of America on the strip except for the M&M store on the strip, and it's on the 3rd floor, and it's a little kiosk. So if you need to like get money out real quick, that's where you go. So I'm gonna grab this flat top brush and the color Uninterrupted. Instead of uninterrupting this video, I'm gonna just grab this and put it underneath the eye. I like to follow makeup trends too. I like to follow and buy makeup products for the season. This is the eyeliner kit for Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs has probably the best eyeliner I've ever used. These liners are so creamy, so I'm just confident that it's gonna go up in there. I'm gonna drag it in halfway. It gives the eye like a really nice effect. I don't have any setting sprays, but I just like this. This is a thermal spring water. It's Avene. It's from France. It's very good. It's a big bottle. This actually I got at the airport in France, and it comes with 2 of them. I think it was like 40 bucks for both of them. Worth it. Worth it, worth it. And I just spray it on my face real quick. And I know we haven't finished our lashes. That's what we're gonna do right now. I kind of let that sit while I do my lashes. Like, there's a reason why I do everything that I'm doing in the timing that I'm doing it. So now my lashes should be dry. So you need to curl them to get the lashes, the real lashes, and the fake lashes together. This is why I bought this, because I know Tom Ford is gonna give me life. You know what I'm talking about, that JLo glow. I have another product that gives you JLo glow too that's on the low, and I just found it. I always have this MAC Prep and Prime lip primer. It's just white like that. It doesn't go on white. It's gross. It's just like a chapstick. I don't have to put a lot, just a little bit. This just helps it stay on longer. I know what I'm wearing today, and it matters what I wear with my makeup. So I'm gonna, since I have like a lot of brownness on, I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm gonna use this color called Sweet Tea. It's by Morphe. I like to make my lips look bigger, obviously. I'm trying to find a lip color that I would be down for. This is my other lip color that I use. This is NYX in Abu Dhabi. I want to go. Take me. And it just makes the lips look like pillows. I don't know how to explain it. It just looks really good. So, yeah. My hair, I need to do it right now. This is from last night's wash. So I need to do my hair. It's a little cray-cray today. If you want, you can put a gloss. If I'm feeling bratty, which I do. Usually when I leave the house, I'm like, okay, I'm a brat now. This is my everyday, woke up like this, ready for my day, feeling myself, crazy ass hair. This is really who I am.